Python. The Swiss Army knife of programming languages. If you're new to the coding scene or just looking for a language that's as versatile as it is user-friendly, you're in for a treat. Python is like the superhero sidekick you never knew you needed. It's reliable, adaptable, and always ready to save the day. So, what makes Python so special? Well, for starters, it's incredibly beginner-friendly. With its clean and intuitive syntax, Python reads like plain English, making it a breeze to learn and understand. No more scratching your head over cryptic lines of code. Python has your back. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is a powerhouse when it comes to getting things done. From web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and beyond, Python is the go-to language for a wide range of applications. Need to crunch some numbers? Python's got you covered. Want to build a sleek and stylish website? Python's your best friend. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the vibrant and supportive Python community. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a total newbie, there's a wealth of resources, tutorials, and friendly faces ready to help you along your coding journey. With Python, you're never alone. You're part of a global community of passionate programmers, all united by their love for this amazing language. So whether you're dreaming of building the next big app, analyzing mountains of data, or simply tinkering with code for fun, Python is your ticket to coding greatness. Get ready to unleash your creativity, solve problems like a pro, and join the ranks of Pythonistas worldwide. The Python adventure awaits. Let's dive in and make some magic happen.